Listen up, entrepreneurs and marketers. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, staying ahead of the curve is more crucial than ever. The digital world is a battlefield. Everyone wants attention. Every brand, every business, every individual is vying for those precious seconds of consumer focus. You need to stand out. It's not just about being different, it's about being memorable and impactful. That's where digital marketing comes in. It's the art and science of reaching your audience in the most effective way possible. Think of it like this: digital marketing is your megaphone. It's the tool that amplifies your voice in the crowded marketplace. It's how you shout your message to the world. But shouting alone won't get you far. But it's not enough to just shout. You need to connect, engage, and resonate with your audience. You need to be smart. Data-driven decisions are key. Analyzing trends, understanding consumer behavior, and adapting your strategies accordingly. You need to be strategic, planning and executing campaigns that align with your business goals and target audience. That's why we're talking about HARO today. HARO, or Help a Reporter Out, is a game changer. HARO is a secret weapon. It connects you with journalists and media outlets looking for expert insights. It helps you get featured in big publications. Imagine your brand name in top-tier media boosting your credibility. More visibility, more credibility, more customers. It's a win-win. The exposure can lead to significant business growth. But it's not magic, folks. It takes work. It takes dedication. Consistent effort and strategic planning are essential. But trust me, the payoff is worth it. The results can be transformative, taking your business to new heights. So, what is HARO exactly? You might have heard the name tossed around in media circles, but let's break it down. It stands for Help a Reporter Out. It's a game changer for anyone looking to get media coverage. It's a platform connecting journalists with sources. Here's how it works. Journalists need information for their articles, and they turn to HARO for help. Journalists need information for their articles. They might be on a tight deadline and need expert opinions fast. They post queries on HARO. These queries are essentially calls for expert insights, quotes, or data. You see a query that fits your expertise? This is your chance to shine. You answer it with a killer pitch. Make sure your response is concise, relevant, and compelling. If the journalist likes your pitch, boom, you get featured in their article. This can be a huge boost for your credibility. You get featured in their article. Your name, your expertise, all highlighted for the world to see. That means a backlink to your website. These backlinks are incredibly valuable for your online presence. Backlinks are like gold for SEO. They improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your site. They tell Google you're legit. The more quality backlinks you have, the more authoritative your site appears. HARO is free, but you can upgrade for more features. The premium options offer more query alerts and better filtering. I recommend starting with the free version. It's a great way to test the waters without any financial commitment. Get a feel for it. See how it fits into your media strategy and how often you can respond to relevant queries. Then decide if you need the extra bells and whistles. The premium features can be worth it if you're serious about getting consistent media coverage. Now, the key to HARO success is writing pitches that grab attention. Remember, journalists are busy people. They get tons of pitches every day. First, make sure your pitch is relevant to the query. Don't waste their time with irrelevant information. Keep it concise and to the point. Use short, punchy sentences. Second, provide value. Don't just promote your business, share your expertise, offer insights, give them something they can use. Finally, proofread like your life depends on it. Typos and grammatical errors are a huge turnoff. Make sure your pitch is polished and professional. Don't just take my word for it, the proof is in the results. HARO has helped countless businesses skyrocket their SEO and gain unparalleled media exposure. I've seen it firsthand, and the transformations are nothing short of amazing. One of my students, a small business owner, landed a feature in Forbes using HARO. Forbes, talk about a game changer. This feature not only boosted their credibility but also opened doors to new opportunities they never imagined. Their website traffic exploded and they started getting calls from major investors. The exposure from such a prestigious publication can truly elevate a business to new heights. Another entrepreneur I know used HARO to get featured in the New York Times. The New York Times. This kind of media coverage is invaluable. Their brand awareness went through the roof. They saw a significant increase in customer inquiries and sales, all thanks to the visibility HARO provided. They couldn't believe the impact it had on their business. The recognition and trust that come with being featured in top-tier publications are game changers. These are just a few examples of the power of HARO. The platform connects you with journalists and media outlets that can transform your business narrative. When you put in the work and craft compelling pitches, the results can be incredible. HARO is a tool that, when used effectively, can bring your business the attention it deserves.